Directions. Read each question carefully. For a multiple choice question, determine the best answer to the question from the 4 answer choices provided. For a griddable question, determine the best answer to the question, then fill in the answer on your answer document. You may always ask for and use a bilingual dictionary. You may stop and listen to any question as many times as you would like. Number 1, an atom with 10 protons is a non-reactive element. Which element is this? A, boron, B, argon, C, sodium, or D, neon? Number 2, a student made an atom model to show the element sulfur. It is wrong. What change should be made to make the model accurate or correct? F. Add 8 more protons and 8 more neutrons to the nucleus and 1 energy level with 6 electrons in it. G. Add 8 more protons and 8 more neutrons to the nucleus and 2 more energy levels with 8 electrons in each. H. Remove 2 protons and all neutrons from the nucleus and add 2 more energy levels with 6 electrons in one and 2 electrons in the other. J. Remove 2 protons and all neutrons from the nucleus and add 1 more energy level with 6 electrons in it. Number 3, an object is traveling at 10 meters per second as it turns. Which of the following statements describes the object's motion? A, the object is accelerating and has constant speed. B, the object is accelerating and has constant velocity. C, the object is not accelerating but has constant speed. D, the object is not accelerating but has constant velocity. Number 4, the table below shows the number of protons in each atom of 4 unknown elements. According to the periodic table, which element is a metal? Number 4, the table below shows the number of protons in each atom of 4 unknown elements. The element and the number of protons. According to the periodic table, which element is a metal? F, element T, G, element Q, or H, element X. Number 5, an astronaut throws a ball in space. The ball moves at a speed of 1 meter per second. Which statement describes the motion of the ball after the astronaut lets go of the ball? A, the ball accelerated. B, the ball did not move. C, the ball changed direction and slowed down. Or D, the ball continued to move with the same velocity. Number 6, 2 forces are acting to a 20-kilogram box as shown. The box is on a smooth surface. Which statement or sentence best describes the acceleration of the box? F, the box accelerates at 0.85 meters per second squared to the right because the net force is 17 newtons to the right. G, the box accelerates at 1 meter per second squared to the right because the greater force is to the right. J, the box does not accelerate because neither force is large enough to move the box. Number 7, an airplane leaving San Antonio is moving at 600 kilometers per hour, traveling in a northeast direction for 12 hours and 50 minutes. Which statement describes the airplane's motion? A, its velocity is 600 kilometers per hour to the northeast. B, its acceleration is 114 kilometers per second squared. C, its speed was 12 hours and 50 minutes. Or D, its velocity is 114 kilometers per second squared. Number 8, which sentence is true? F, unbalanced forces cause the net force of an object to be 0. G, unbalanced forces cause an object to keep the same motion. H, unbalanced forces cause an object to start moving, stop moving, or change directions. J, unbalanced forces cause an object to keep the same speed and the same direction. Number 9, the picture below shows a periodic table with missing elements. Which of the following pairs of elements show an increase in atomic number and have the same number of energy levels? A, Ag to Pd, B, Co to Ni, or C, Ge to Sn. Number 10, the person is skating on a smooth, frictionless track. Once in motion, in what part of the track will the person experience an unbalanced force? F, 1 and 3, G, 2 and 4, H, 1 and 2, or J, 3 and 4. Number 11, a car was moving along a road when it began to leak oil at the rate or speed of 1 drop every 5 seconds. Drops of oil were left on the road as pictured below. Which of the following statements or sentences correctly shows the motion of the car between point A and point B? A, the car has constant acceleration. B, the car has 0 acceleration. C, the car accelerates with an increase in velocity. Or D, the car accelerates with a decrease in speed. 12. Potassium is a highly reactive element. Which of the following elements have reactivity most similar to potassium? F, sodium, symbol Na, and lithium, symbol Li. G, barium, symbol Ba, and radon, symbol Rn. H, silver, symbol Ag, and cadmium, symbol Cd. J, strontium, symbol Sr, and radium, symbol Ra. Number 13. The chemical formula for 1 molecule of caffeine is shown below. How many total atoms are in a molecule of caffeine? A, 4, B, 8, C, 22, D, 24. Number 14. Which model correctly shows the atomic structure of lithium? Symbol Li. F, H, G, J. Number 15. 4 forces are acting on a box as shown below. 40 newtons downward, 10 newtons upward, 30 newtons to the left, 20 newtons to the right. Which of the following describes the motion of the box? A, downward and to the left. B, downward and to the right. C, upward and to the left. D, upward and to the right. Number 16. In the chemical formula AlNO3, subscript 3, how many nitrogen atoms are there? F3, G6, H9, J12. Number 17. Look at this picture. This is a barrier or a wall. An apple was placed on the back seat of a car. The car was accelerated towards the barrier at 60 kilometers per hour. What happened to the apple when the car hit the barrier or wall? A, based on Newton's law of force and acceleration, the apple moved forward at 30 kilometers per hour. B, based on Newton's law of inertia, the apple moved forward at 60 kilometers per hour. C, based on Newton's law of action-reaction, the apple moved backwards at 30 kilometers per hour. D, based on Newton's law of gravitation, the apple moved backwards at 60 kilometers per hour. Number 18. Based on the Bohr models below, which represents the most reactive element? F, G, H, J. Number 19. Which of these formulas contain equal numbers of oxygen atoms? A, formulas 1 and 3. B, formulas 1 and 4. C, formulas 2 and 3. Or D, formulas 3 and 4. Number 20. Which of the following is true based on an element with 7 valence electrons? A, the element is a stable metal. The element is a reactive nonmetal. H, the element is a stable nonmetal. Or J, the element will undergo a change in physical properties by itself. You will now have to open the second file to listen to the remainder of the questions for the test. Keep going, you're doing a great job.